Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa. Today I'm going to show you how I got this JT inspired hairstyle. I did see this on JT from the Citygirls. I saw her with this hairstyle on Instagram when she had the red hair, and I really love this style, and I wanted to just recreate this look and try it on myself. So this is the look here, and I'm going to show you guys step by step, as always, how to get this same look. I did create this look on a frontal wig, so that's what I'm going to be using today. This is a 13x4 frontal. It is a 16-inch and it is natural color, but I did watercolor this wig black. So this is the wig I'm going to be using today. Is a 13x4 frontal, and it is in the inches 16 inches. So now I'm going to be just placing that wig on my head and just just moving the hair out the way, that because I don't want it to get in the way while I'm applying my glue and about to install this wig. So in this video you're going to see a install, and you're going to see how I do the hairstyle in the thumbnail basically. So what I'm doing is just taking those clips, just spinning the hair out the way like I said, and just prepping for my install. I am going in with my Ghost Bond lace glue, and I'm just applying that to my hairline, and I'm not going to do a ball cap method. I'm just going to leave the cap just like it is on my head. And I'm just going to place the wig cap on top of that. So make sure you follow your natural hairline when you are installing your wig. And I'm just going around the perimeter, just applying my lace glue to my edges, not to my edges, to my hairline. And I did go in with 2 layers of this glue. I think 2 layers give you like a medium hold. I didn't want to keep this wig on for too long, so I just added 2 layers of that Ghost Bond glue. And this glue is pretty good, so I was confident that the 2 layers would just be enough for me to have this wig on for maybe a couple of days. Make sure you smooth it out and this glue is not clumpy or lumpy when you apply it. And I am going in with my blow dryer to just blow dryer that lace glue. You don't have to use it, this is just optional. I just wanted to speed up the process of me drying that glue. So I'm just going in with cool air on my blow dryer. And as you can see, as I'm blow drying, it's starting to turn clear. That is what you want. So now, this wig was a previous install. This was actually the first wig that I ever tried to pluck and install on my head. And when I plucked it, I plucked way too much. So you can see that there's a lot of lace in front of that hair that needs to be cut off. So being that this was the first wig that I installed and tried to pluck and everything like that, I didn't do a good job of plucking it, so that's why I added the bang on this wig. You're gonna see the bang is already cut, and this is the reason why, because I wanted to cover up the mistakes that I made on this wig, and I didn't want to just throw the wig away and it it just be garbage. So what I'm doing is I'm applying that my wig onto my glue, but I'm making sure that I'm putting the lace in front of that glue, because I'm going to cut off the excess lace that you see there on this wig. I'm going to be cutting all of that off. So I'm just laying the hair on my hairline basically, and leaving the rest, and leaving the lace in the front so that I can cut it off later. But I'm not going to cut it off now because I wanted to give it time to dry and melt together. And I am taking my comb and I'm using that just to smooth it into place and to push that lace down into that glue. And I'm using my fingertips as well. So now I'm going in with my elastic band, and I'm just going to be tying it on my head to help that glue lay down and it to melt. I'm using my pink lotion, and this is just a hair moisturizer. I'm just using that because this was a previous install with this wig and the hair was pretty dry because I just washed it. I am also going in with that heat protectant because I am going to be using heat. I am going to be flat ironing my hair in this video. So I'm going in with my flat iron and I'm just going to, just begin to flat iron my hair. And as you can see, that pink lotion did just give a lot of shine to the hair, and it doesn't look so dull right now as it did when I first put it on my head. So that's why I put the pink lotion, just to give it some shine and the hair is not so dried out. So I'm working in about medium sections when I'm flat ironing my hair. And I did go over it a couple of spots more than one time because in some certain spots the hair just wasn't laying down. It wasn't laying down properly, so I just kept going over it until it was nice and straight. So now I'm going to be taking my comb and I'm trying to find where my part is for my bang. So like I said, this was a wig that I had previously installed. So I was trying to find the part where I had the bang already sectioned off and just making that part to separate it from the rest of the hair. So after I have my bang section off, I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm going to be smoothing the rest of the hair back and away from that part and that section where I have my bang, because I really want that hair to be nice and straight and laid down. So that's why I'm using my hot comb, so it can be nice and straight basically. I'm going to clip that bang aside because I'm not going to be working on that yet. And what I'm going to be doing, I'm going back in with my hot comb, and I did use my wax stick, my edge booster wax stick, and I applied that to the hair, to the frontal, in the front section. And I'm just going to be using that hot comb to lay down the strayaways, lay down the loose hairs. And that hot comb gets the hair really, really straight and gets it really, really flat. So I'm just combing and using that hot comb just to comb my hair in the direction that I want it to go. And I'm trying to straighten the hair at the same time. So now what I'm doing, I'm just going to be taking my comb and I'm just trying to figure out where I want my part to be basically. So for this style, it is a side part, and there's a bang as well. So that is what I'm trying to do. As you can see, this wig is a 13x4, yes, but it's about 2 inches on the side and 4 inches in the middle. So I was limited on how far back my part can go. So that's why I tried to create a curve to mimic that it is the line is a little bit further back than what it is. So that's why I did a little curve there. And then now, as I'm going along, I'm going to keep using that hot comb just to flatten out that hair. At the beginning of the video, you did see me begin to start flat ironing the hair, and I did continue to do that off camera as well. I was just trying to get my part really, really straight, so that's what I'm trying to do here, and just make my part for my bang, just to make sure everything is even on both sides and that it is symmetrical. And when I first saw this hairstyle on JT from the Citygirls, I was like, oh my God, I need to create that look. I thought it was so pretty, and I wish I had a red wig like she had when she had this style, so that I can really give the full look of this style and just recreate it. I think it would have looked bomb with the red hair as well, me trying it, but I didn't have any red hair, and I didn't want to go and, you know, dye a wig just for this style. So I just said, hey, let me just do it on, you know, this wig that I have already. And I love the way it came out. It came out perfect. I am using that flat iron to bump my hair to create that curl in my bang. And I didn't want too much of a tight curl for my bang. I wanted a bang that was I wanted a big bang, yes, but I didn't want it to be too much curled under. I wanted the ends to be the part that was mostly curled under, but not necessarily the top of the hair of the bang, if that makes sense. So I didn't curl the way all the way under, just more so the ends I curled, and just flattening out the rest of the hair with that flat iron. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think about this hairstyle, this recreation look that I have done here. The bang with the side part. So now we're satisfied with the bang area, and now I'm just combing that hair out and just combing it out just to see how it looks, basically. So now throughout the video, you're just going to be seeing me just doing a little touch-ups on this hairstyle. So I noticed that my bang was a little bit longer on the side, so I was trying to cut it at an angle and cut off some of that length, but not a lot, because I just wanted I wanted a blunt straight bangs, but I wanted the ends of the bangs to come down a little bit further than the bang in the middle. So the ends are a little bit longer than the middle part of this bang, is what I'm trying to say. I was thinking about adding more hair to the bang too to make it more full, but then I just said, I think this would be good, and just left it that way, basically. So as you can see, the sides come down further than the inner part of that bang. And I'm just dusting those edges, just making it straight, basically. Make sure you keep combing it through so you see exactly what you did. This is a finished product. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And after you finish watching this video, go ahead and check out some my other videos that I have posted here on my channel. I have plenty of hairstyles, makeup, and nail tutorials on my channel. Again, this is a JT inspired hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and what other looks you would like me to create here on my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload my videos on my channel. Connect with me on my social media platforms. Bye.